Hi, I'm Stephanie with Schacht Spindle Company. Today we're going to talk about how to adjust your front maiden on the Flatiron Spinning Wheel. If your front maiden is too close to the flyer, it can cause a couple different problems. One of the first problems I usually see is people say that it's very difficult to treadle and it feels like you're treadling through mud. The other problem is that the flyer will have friction on it from the front bearing inside the maiden, and it won't turn freely. So I'm going to show you how to adjust the position of this front maiden. So I've adjusted this wheel to be too tight towards the flyer. You can see that there's no space and the bearing is rubbing against the shaft of the flyer. So I'm going to show you how to adjust that. First, we will release the quick release on the front maiden, and then we're going to remove the flyer and set it on the table. We're going to take our tool from the bag number 8 and insert it into this set screw. So you're going to notice that this set screw hits the back of the maiden and adjusts that position. So since I need the front maiden to be a little bit further away, I need this set screw to be further into that barrel nut. In order to do that, I'm going to insert the Allen wrench and turn it in a clockwise direction. And I'm going to turn it about 2 revolutions. Now, in order to check it, I'm going to reinstall the flyer. And then push that front maiden all the way up and push down on the quick release lever. And now I can see I have a little bit of space between the bearing and the flyer shaft, but not quite enough. So I'm going to repeat that process. Give it just a little bit more. And what I'm looking for is space between the shoulder of the flyer. Right here on the flyer, you have this little lip that's called the shoulder, and you want spacing between that shoulder and the front bearing of about 1/16 of an inch to 1/8 of an inch. And now I can tell when I put the front maiden up, push it all the way, and get the quick release set. Now I can see that movement between the front bearing and that shoulder. That's what I'm looking for. You can tell that the flyer is going to move much more freely and it's going to be easier to treadle.